Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from Cool Cleveland, and we're here at Ingenuity Fest 2023. We're here with Kevin Jackson. Kevin, you are an amazing video projection artist, but you don't do it like everyone else, where you just project onto a flat surface, right? You work with the architectural pieces of whatever you're projecting on.
Yeah, I use a lot of mesh warping and a lot of different quadrants and different designs to get everything mapped out. You can see with the beach balls and the walls, they're all separate layers, and I have layers on top of that. Some things are mirroring each other and some things are going over an extended display.
So you come in and you must look and map out whatever surface you're going to work with, like to the inch, and then you put that in your software and you know exactly where everything is going to go.
Yeah, I was in almost every night last weekend, and I came in to map everything out. So I was here probably like 3 in the morning every night, just getting everything situated. Yeah, but you have to make it look right, because I don't want to be like trying to fix things while people are here. So I want to make sure everything looks good for the time the festival starts.
I think people get confused because they look and they go, yeah, that's just what it looks like. But when you look closer, it's like, wait, he's working with the beams in the walls. He's working with what's going on with these globes. So how many projectors are you working with here? Because it seems like you have so many different things going on.
I have 4 projectors. So I have 2 going on the back and 2 going to each side. And then I have it like programmed to like be able to project on the balls as well as the walls, and sometimes vice versa. So I'm able to like do the walls behind the hanging beach balls. Those are white hanging beach balls that we got.
They're 3-dimensional balls. And so basically and then you can go in and manually, like a DJ, change things up on site and sync it up with the music.
Yes, I'm using a MIDI controller on every layer's on a different fader, and I have a bunch of knobs controlling effects and opacity, and everything's like also sound reactive and going to the BPMs as well.
This is world-class stuff. We are so lucky to have you here in Cleveland, dude. Every time we see your work, it just blows my mind. Thanks for taking a few moments, Kevin.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you so much.
Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from Cool Cleveland. Have a great week, and we are here at Ingenuity 2023.